sweet porridge, anyone? Hi folks, I'm Lynn Bloor from linsfood.com and Singaporean and Malaysian recipes.com. Today's recipe is a sweet dessert from Singapore and Malaysia, and also found in other parts of Southeast Asia. It's called Bubur Kacang or Bubur Kacang Hijau. Bubur is porridge, kacang is nut of any kind. In this instance, it refers to mung beans, and hijau is green, so kacang hijau refers to mung beans. I know, you're probably used to using mung beans for savory dishes and especially dal in South Asian dals, right? So that's what we're going to be using to make our bubur kacang hijau. Now, it is traditionally served as a tea time treat and one of the most popular Ramadan dishes, whether to break one's fast with or leftovers would be consumed in the morning before sunrise. All we're going to do to cook bubur kacang hijau is we're going to start off by soaking our mung beans in plenty of water overnight. And then the next day we're going to drain it, rinse it a couple of times, and then place it on the hob and boil it with lots of water, white sugar, some palm sugar, and coconut milk, and pandan leaves. The palm sugar we're using is gula melaka. I'll do a video about gula melaka soon. So you'll find it sold solid like that, solid in other shapes, or even ready grated. Gula melaka is basically coconut palm sugar. It is one of the most delicious things you've ever tasted. So once it's cooked, you're going to serve it up in bowls. Now, how much you serve is completely up to you. To me, these sweet porridges tend to be, well, sweet. So I really only ever want a small amount. So once it's cooked, you dish it up into a small bowl. And then you top it up with a little bit of a drizzle of coconut milk. And that's it. There you have it. Bubur Kacang Hijau, a favorite tea time and Ramadan treat from my childhood. I'm Lynn Bloor. I shall catch you guys real soon.